Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canva application for making wedding invitation video. So first, go to Canva, tap create a design, and then type here wedding video. You will see here the correct dimension or size. So what you're going to do is you have to click that one. This is what it looks like. If you go to design, you can use designs here provided by Canva or templates, and all you have to do is to edit this. For example, this one. What you're going to do is to change the name or title, change elements, change the background. Everything is up to you. But for this tutorial, let's start from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one all. Now we can start with changing the background color. So tap the color icon above and you can change this to whatever color you want. Go to elements, add something here. For example, if you want to add a box or shape, and then here, this is where we're going to put save the date, something like that. So you can change the color if you want here, but actually everything is up to you. You can add a box or shape, or you just want to add text only. But for me, I want to add a shape or box right here and then add a text. Now you can change the font style by tapping the font style above and then scroll down here to select the perfect font style for you. So once you're done, then all you have to do is to simply move this to the box right here. You can change the color if you want. You can add effects such as lift, outline, and so on. So you can change the color, okay, but I just want to stick with the black color. Now if you want to add another text, you can go to text and add, or you can just simply copy and paste this one. Okay, so I'm going to add the name of the couple here. This is just for example, okay. And then what you're going to do is you can resize this one. You can also change the color or change the effect. So I'm going to put it right here, and then this time I'm going to add a line. Okay, everything is up to you. You can add, or if you don't want, it's okay. So this is the line here, and then I'm going to copy and paste again, and I'm going to add the date. Okay, so save the date. And then once you have added this text right here, then again you can change the font style, font size, font color. Everything is up to you. So we have the save the date, the name, and the date. So if you want to add again another one, for example, if you want to add the venue of the wedding, then you can just simply copy and paste again. So this time I am going to add the venue. So let me copy and then paste. And then this time I'm going to add, for example, Bangkok, something like that, Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so this is just an example. So once you have added the time, the date, venue, then let's proceed with adding elements here. I'm going to add a frame because I'm going to put the picture of the couple here. Okay, so you can go and then go to elements and then look for some designs that you can add. So let's just say this is the picture of the couple, or you can also use the graphic here, which is also a good idea. Then you can add the picture, or you can change this with original picture of the couple. Go back to elements, add again objects such as flowers, rings, everything is up to you. So for me, I want to add this. Okay, copy, paste, put it in the other side. Okay, and then copy and paste again, and then put it in the other side. Also, I want to add a ring here. So for example, I want to add a ring, then I'm going to go to elements and then search for rings, and then add it right here, like wedding ring, something like that. Then for the video, you can add effects, animate the video. Everything is up to you. But basically, this is how you create an invitation video for wedding. And for duration, you can just simply extend this one. For animation, you can go to animate and then add some animation right here. So I really hope that you like this. This is how to use Canva application for making wedding invitation. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.